how to play sound through TV from a laptop. So if you want to play your PC sound through TV, then just watch this video, okay? So you've connected your PC to your TV, right? But the sound's all wrong. Let's fix that. You've got this amazing huge picture, but the sound is still stuck on your little laptop speakers. So what's going on? Well, we just have to tell Windows where you want the audio to go. First up, let's go to the control panel. The quickest way is you just need something, have to just go with the start icon, go with control panel, and look for hardware and sound. So all your audio settings are hiding in there. Inside that menu, you need to go ahead and click on sound. This will pop up, open all your feedback options. In my case, there are three. See the little green check mark. In my case, it's speakers and virtual speakers also. That's showing you your PC speakers are the default right now. So just find your TV in that list. It'll probably have its brand name there. Just go ahead and click on it. And here's the most important step. Hit that set default button in the bottom right corner. Select that and then go with set default, where you would like your sound to go. And that's it. The green kick moves from another sound to your TV. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.